What's up, guys? South Texas Quadcopters here with a review of the new Traxxas Aton. Couldn't wait to get to the office to review it, so let's do it right here. Let's open up the box. Comes with your quick start guide, basic information regarding the features it has, stickers, your owner's manual. There's a lot more information that you need to know about the Aton. Registration. Comes with an extra set of props, your landing gear tool, your landing gear screws. Let's see the Aton. This is the Aton right here, guys. Very nice. Looks very well built. We're gonna test it out right now in a minute. This is your status, the icons, the LEDs. Set this aside. Comes with your camera mount. It's already included in the package. Camera mount. Your LiPo charger as well. Your battery. This is a 3000 milliamp 3-cell battery, 20C, 11.1 volts. They included in the package already. This is your transmitter. The very neat thing that Traxxas already includes you the four AAA batteries that you need. They come in the box already, so it's basically plug and play, and you get to enjoy your flight as soon as you buy it. It comes with the landing gear right here. This is the landing gear for the camera mount. If you're thinking of buying it, or you've been wanting to buy it, stop it. Go buy it right now. Go leave a deposit if your hobby store doesn't have it. If they have it, buy it now. I totally recommend it. We're gonna do a small video of it, just a basic flight, and we'll go from there. Hey, what's up, guys? South Texas Quadcopters here. We're gonna take the Aton for a quick flight. Make sure you turn your transmitter on first, and then install your battery. To insert your battery, you push this down, it opens up. Put your battery, connect it. Make sure that your icons all light up. It might take a few seconds, maybe it has to be less than a minute or so. Make sure they all light up. Once they all light up, you'll be ready to go. Okay, guys, you can see everything's light up. My transmitter is blinking. Make sure it's good. Stick for a quick flight. Press your button to engage. Give it throttle. And we have liftoff. Very stable. We do have a little bit of wind, but as you can see, very stable. This is on film mode. Let's try to return to home. You see this icon on your remote. Let's press it. Still no control of it. Okay guys, South Texas Quadcopters. We're gonna do the fast mode or sports mode, as we could say. In order to hit your sports mode, you hit your row button inside. That's expert. That's film mode, and that's fast mode. Let's give it a small flight. That's one half of the throttle. As you can see, it's pretty fast. I love it. I love it a lot. There's also expert mode. I'm not gonna try expert mode because I'm not an expert yet. Let's try a front flip. There we go. Let's try a back flip. There we go. Very stable, even in sports mode. Guys, this is the Traxxas Aton. I'll be doing more video of it. Check out my channel, keep updated with me, and I'll show you more features it does. It has maybe on a wide open area. Right now I'm doing it at my construction site, so I don't have that much space in here, but I will be updating a review on it. Signing out.